In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the QuillBot desktop app on Windows. By the end, you'll have QuillBot set up and ready to use with a clear idea of what to expect during the download and installation. All you need is a Windows computer, a stable internet connection, and a few minutes of your time. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to quillbot.com/app. This page is the official destination for QuillBot's desktop and mobile apps, so it's a safe place to begin. If you accidentally land on a different QuillBot page, just look for the section that highlights their apps and continue from there. Give the page a moment to load so all the buttons and links appear properly. On the apps page, look for the area labeled Desktop and Mobile Apps and click Windows. This option is specifically for Windows users and will take you to the Microsoft Store experience for QuillBot. If your browser prompts you to open the Microsoft Store app, go ahead and allow it. The store window should open to the QuillBot listing, where you'll see the Install button. Click Install to begin. The download will start immediately, and you'll see a progress indicator. Depending on your connection speed, this might take a minute or two, so feel free to let it run. In many cases, the Microsoft Store will handle everything automatically and install the app as soon as the download finishes. If instead you receive a standard installer file in your browser's downloads, simply click the downloaded installer to launch it. The setup will run automatically and you can follow any on-screen prompts. It's normal for Windows to ask for permission to make changes to your device during installation. Choose Yes to continue. Once the installation completes, the app may open on its own. If it doesn't, you can launch it from your Start menu by searching for QuillBot. The first load can take a few seconds while it initializes, so be patient and let it finish setting things up. That's it. You're done. QuillBot is now installed on your Windows computer and ready to help with rewriting, summarizing, and more. If something doesn't go as expected, double-check your internet connection, make sure you have enough disk space, and try closing and reopening the Microsoft Store before clicking Install again. With that, you've successfully installed the QuillBot desktop app on Windows. Enjoy and happy writing.